George house inspections. We're in a property in Chermside Park this morning. We're in a subfloor here. We're in a basement. It's got brick piers and a slab, concrete slab above. Now the slab, sections of the slab have got exposed Rio, rusted, concrete cancer in various sections. The brick pier it's got a slope of about 25-30 mil. Nothing sitting on top. This brick pier is the same, although it doesn't have a slope, but it's only been supported at one end. This brick pier has definitely got a big slope, and it's nothing supporting the slope, and it's got concrete cancer above there as well. This area here, same thing there, it's got exposed Rio, rusted into the concrete. There's various cracks externally. Requires a CCTV scan, survey scan, I think. The drains are blocked. Dampness to the soil. Building inspection is very, very important before you purchase. Excuse me. Always get a pre-purchase inspection.